Hello, Sasank, Milind, and all of you. Today we are studying the structural organization of mitochondrial genome. And you know that mitochondrial DNA also has very important genes which are located on it, which are structurally organized on the mitochondrial DNA. This mitochondrial DNA has two genes for encoding the ribosomal RNA. In case of chloroplast, you have seen that in case of chloroplast, there are four types of ribosomal RNA: 23S ribosomal RNA, 16S ribosomal RNA, 4.5S ribosomal RNA, and 5S RNA. Four types of ribosomal RNA are found in chloroplast. On the other hand, in case of mitochondria, only two types of ribosomal RNAs are found. And these two types of ribosomal RNA found in mitochondria include 12S ribosomal RNA, and 16S ribosomal RNA. Only two types of. This is the difference between the ribosomal RNA found in chloroplast and mitochondria. There are four types of ribosomal RNA present in chloroplast, but in case of mitochondria, only two types of ribosomal RNA are found. And the size of the ribosomal RNA found in mitochondria is 12S and 16S. And for encoding these two types of ribosomal RNA, the genes are available on the mitochondrial DNA. Beside this, there are 13 types of protein. 13 types of genes are available on the 13 types of proteins are encoded by the genes present on the mitochondria. You know, ठीक है? Beside this, there are the genes for encoding the nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide hydrogenase, and there are six types of genes present on the mitochondria for encoding the nicotinamide dinucleotide hydrogenase, and there are three types of genes. Three genes for encoding the cytochrome oxidase, which are present on the mitochondrial DNA. In addition to these genes, there are also genes for encoding ATPase. There are two genes for encoding ATPase, but there is presence of displacement loop, and all these genes are structurally organized in sequence on the mitochondrial DNA. Beside this, there are genes for encoding tRNA, transfer RNA, which are also present on the mitochondrial DNA. And all these genes are, and the organization of all these genes on the mitochondrial DNA has been shown in the diagram which I have shared with you on the whiteboard. Again, I am going to show you the whiteboard on which the diagram of the mitochondrial DNA of the human being has been sketched. Again, look at the whiteboard here. This is the mitochondrial DNA. This is the mitochondrial DNA of the human being. And look here. This is the displacement loop. This displacement, D stands for displacement. This D stands for displacement. And this displacement loop region is not present on the chloroplast DNA, but it is present on the mitochondrial DNA. So this is a very important feature. This is a very important feature of the mitochondrial DNA, which is not found in the chloroplast DNA. If you are asked to differentiate between the chloroplast and mitochondrial DNA, the first point of difference is that in case of chloroplast DNA, the D loop is absent, but the D loop, which stands for the displacement loop region is present on the mitochondrial DNA. Okay? This is the gene for encoding the cytochrome B. And this is the cytochrome B, cytochrome oxidase encoding cytochrome B encoding genes is present here. Beside this, the gene for encoding tRNA is available here. And look here, look here. This is the gene ND1, ND2, ND3, ND4, ND5, ND6. This ND stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide hydrogenase encoding genes. There are 6 genes. There are 6 genes for encoding nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide hydrogenase, and these 6 genes are represented by this ND1, ND2, ND3, ND4, ND5, and ND6. Besides, in addition to the genes for the encoding the nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide hydrogenase, there are 3 genes. There are 3 genes for encoding cytochrome oxidase, which are represented here: CO1, CO2, and CO3. Cytochrome oxidase 1, cytochrome oxidase 2, cytochrome oxidase 3. These are the 3 genes which are responsible for encoding the cytochrome oxidase. In addition to these genes, there is a gene ATPase encoding genes are also available on the mitochondrial DNA. And now look here, the genes for encoding the 2 types of ribosomal RNA are available here. This is the 16S ribosomal RNA encoding gene, 12S RNA encoding genes. And you see here that the tRNA gene, the gene for encoding tRNA is also located prior to the 16S ribosomal RNA coding genes, and after the 12S RNA coding gene, tRNA here, tRNA encoding gene, and this tRNA encoding gene is also present in between the genes for encoding the 16S ribosomal RNA and 12S ribosomal RNA. And here, just near the genes which stand for encoding, which is meant for encoding cytochrome B, another tRNA encoding gene is available. This is the D loop, and tRNA and ATPase encoding. These are the important genes which are structurally organized in mitochondrial DNA of the human being. I have written here the mitochondria. This is the diagram of the mitochondrial DNA of the human being, and I have written here. I have pointed out here the important genes present on the mitochondrial DNA of the human being. And you know that this mitochondrial DNA was first reported by Rich and Plaut in 1966. Mitochondrial DNA consists of about 16,559 base pairs. There are 37 genes. 37 genes are present. There are 37 genes which encode 13 types of 13 proteins, 22 tRNA. 22 types of tRNA are found in the mitochondria, which are for which the genes are present on the mitochondrial DNA. Mitochondrial DNA, which encode the 23 types of tRNA, 13 types of protein, and there is a presence of displacement loop, which is a very important character of the mitochondrial DNA. Genes present on the other important genes present on the mitochondrial DNA include ND gene, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide hydrogenase genes, which are 6 in number. Cytochrome oxidase gene, which are 3 in number. Cytochrome B encoding genes, ATPase encoding genes, ribosomal RNA encoding genes, which are of 2 types: 12S ribosomal RNA, 16S ribosomal RNA. tRNA encoding genes, there are 22 genes. 22 different types of tRNA are found. Proteins, there are 13 types of proteins are encoded by the genes present on the mitochondrial DNA. So this is the structural organization of mitochondrial DNA of the human being. In your examination, you will be asked to describe the structural organization and expression of the genes in the mitochondria. So this is the mitochondrial genetic system, and the first part of this topic, that is the structural organization of mitochondrial gene, is completed today. In the next lecture, we will study the expression of the mitochondrial gene.